Receipt or collection list. What is the receipt or collection list? The receipt or collection is where you will find the list of recorded collections. This is also where the collection officer or the accounts receivable department can create, edit, or delete recorded collections. These are the functions of the receipt or collection list. Go to Customer in the sidebar menu and click Receipt or Collection. In the Receipt or Collection window, you will notice the following functions. First, date range. If you wish to filter using the date of the transaction, set the desired date from and date to, then apply. Second, search bar. If you wish to search for the specific transaction using the reference number, customer name, or specific remarks, click the magnifying glass icon to apply. Third, advanced filter. If you wish to filter the transaction's common information. Example, you're looking for a transaction with the same customer, payment type, or status. To filter, click Apply. Fourth, drop-down arrow beside the advanced filter. This is used to export the list you filtered. The exported data will be in an Excel file format. Fifth, Pay on Sale tab is where you can see the list of the sales invoice that are paid upon sale. Lastly, Gear button. You have the option to choose what columns you only want to appear in the receipt or collection list. Click the Gear or Settings icon and deselect the columns you don't want to show up in the list. On the other hand, you can right-click a certain transaction and select from the following options. Attach, if you want to attach a document to the transaction. Related, to check and open the link to the related transactions such as sales invoices and deposit. Copy, if you want to make a new receipt or collection by copying the existing receipt or collection details. Print, if you want to print the receipt or collection. Void, if you want to cancel the receipt or collection recorded. Delete, if you want to delete the recorded receipt or collection. However, please note that you cannot delete when it has a related transaction. Those are the functions of the receipt or collection list. Now, let's proceed on how to create a receipt or collection.